Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Finally, after working for a few months, we have launched our own website A2Zblog.in. Yes, it's A2Zblog.in. Remember this. It's possible because of my little brother's hard work. He is constantly working on it and it's his second website and we have created this from the scratch. It's a paid version, so you don't need to worry about the security. It's completely secured, so you can daily visit it and you don't have to worry about your data, personal information. And let's look about it. Let's see how it looks like and what benefits you will get by daily visiting this site. So let us get started. So guys, you can search our website on any browser you want, A2Zblog.in, and this first, because our SEO is strong. So yes, this you can see here, home page is open now. You can see it's completely brand new website and it's quite interesting website. You can connect with us. So this is the overview of the website, and now let us see each section. So you can see here home section where you will get the home page, and this is AME section. In that also we have 4 subsections: concepts, exam, module notes and books. And this is the blog section, job section, news section, and finally a video section. You can also have a search bar, so that if you want to search a specific thing, like for example INDIGO Airlines latest job vacancies, you can search here by clicking here search option. So we have everything is ready here, and you can see here the trending now post. All the trending posts will appear here, and this is the recent post which I have made to complete this website at most quick as possible, as quickly possible. And yes, this is don't miss section where we have the most viewed blogs, so you must go through it. Here we have our social media status, how much people are behind our channel and our organization. You can see here latest aviation news. Here quick update section is empty because it's pending. There is no not much of the updates, so we are soon going to update about whatever updates we are going about the examination, or any quick updates will be shown here. And you can see here this is a dedicated job section, especially made for you, a customized section. And the specialty about this job section is that when you click on that, you can see here completely the job opportunity. And also this is most important, many websites don't have this thing, status is active. Yes, you can now apply for it, and if this is not active, then I will put here not active instead of active, so that you don't have to waste your time by clicking the link. So it will save you a lot of time. And see here, once you reach out, so there will be other vacancies as well. So you can see here, here's INDIGO Airline latest job vacancies. Also here you can say status, you can see status active, and to apply for it you have to click here to apply, and you will be redirected to the official website. So this is the advantage of our website, that all the data or all the job posting or anything related will be from the official website or the original website. So yes, remember this thing. Now let us see each section in detail. Our home page, quite interesting home page. Then we have AME section. Once again, a AME section completely dedicated to AME students, AME field persons. You can see here the concepts. In concept also we have made one blog, steps to become AME, and soon we will make, so this empty space will be filled. Then we have, so in examination section also there is new tips and tricks for clearing module 3 electrical fundamentals. So we have updated the tips which we have provided in our earlier video on our YouTube channel. You can check that out. And also you can download the notes. Everything is important here, everything is mentioned here, so that you don't have to waste your time and you get all the dedicated information about that module. So we are going to update our every module. So far we have updated for module 3. Also we have made a little blog about 7 steps to clear your DGCA examination. We have also created a video for it, and you can go through that video for complete details. Okay, and then we have module note section. This is very crucial section, because in this we have all the drive links for the modules you need. Module 3, module 4, B1, B2, all the modules you can download from here. we will try to update everything with latest question papers or whatever notes we have, updated notes. So you don't need to worry about it. And the book section is also soon going to update it. Right now it's not working, but soon it will be working. Okay, right now it's not working on the book section. Now next is the blog section. This is very interesting section. Here you will learn a lot about the terms, the different type of things which you don't know about it. We have already made some videos, and if I not have made the video, then we will upload a blog here. Airworthiness, we have not made a video on it, and future of aviation industry, we have not made a video on it. This 3 things I have made a video, so you better check it out. And this is a very crucial section, job section, which I have already described that yes, so far we have updated 3 jobs, and once it is fulfilled, we have updated 5, then it will be fulfilled completely. Then we have new section. This is very interesting section. So far we have 2 sections, and important thing about this new section is that it will be a very short news, so that you don't have to waste much time on, and it will be completely cut to cut, point to point news. You can see here all the points are highlighted. You can directly visit the website which we have mentioned here. You can also see the tweets, and everything is embedded. You can also have the text so that you can easily find out whatever you want to see, all the text which will be related in the future post, so that you can visit directly there. And also you can share this post to your friends through Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and WhatsApp also. So that's really a great thing for you guys. And also we have video sections, which there is no post right now, but all the videos related to our channel will be added here, so that you don't have to visit every time on the YouTube channel. You come here, you can click the videos whatever you want to watch, and you can directly watch here. So this is a complete overview of the website, and it took us few months to build it. Also, you must know this is a notification bar, so that every time we upload a post, you will get the notification. So right now we have subscribed it, so that it's not showing subscribe, it's unsubscribe. So you will in your page it will be shown as a subscribe. So you click on that subscribe, so that every time we upload a post, you will get a notification on this side. So yes, it's advantages. This is the complete overview of the website, and still some work are remaining, so it's not that much looking good, but yes, it's still a good website. Also, it's a paid version. You can see here it is a SSL certified, so connection is completely secure, your information is completely secured. So we have paid for this, and that's why it's completely safe website. All right, remember this thing. Also, you can contact us to our email ID, contact us at @a2zblog.in, and we will be happy to reply you. You can also follow us on other social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Telegram. You can join our Telegram group. Also, you can follow us on Twitter. Also, all the categories will be shown here. See here, whatever the post we will upload, it will be shown here, so that you get a quick section directly visiting from this below site. So this is overall a good website, and I hope you will visit this website and learn a lot of things. And we will try to update regularly this website, so that your AME section, pilot section will come up, and many other sections will be covered. So far we have added AME section, but soon we will going to add other sections as well. So right now we are busy with many things, so yes, we are developing it. I hope you will like it, and I will try to post regular job updates and news updates, and so that you get a real knowledge here. Alright, so please visit this website, and if you have any query about the website, then please mention down in this video, comment section of this video, and we will be happy to help you, and we will happy to make the changes if you feel any changes are necessary. And this is my profile. Alright, so you can also leave a comment and we will happy to reply you back. Alright, if you are from any business queries, you have any doubt or any, you can directly post a comment section, and also you can post in our video, and feel free to ask a doubt. That's it for today, and thank you so much for watching this video, and for helping us to motivate us to create this website for betterment of our aviation field persons. And this is our motto. You can see here our organization motto is to work for the betterment of aviation field person. So thank you very much, and finally, thanks for watching. See you soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, stay safe.